If you go online and search for RGB lights, you'll quickly realize that they are sometimes quite expensive. Well, if you think about it, in the 21st century, we are surrounded by displays all around us. So, what if you were able to take one or more of these displays to take the role of an RGB light? I mean, I guess that'd be pretty useful, right? Instead of spending hundreds of dollars getting a stupid ring light to light my freaking face up, I could just use maybe an iPad that I already own, maybe a TV to get the same job done. Okay, so to begin with, for a light source to be considered RGB, it needs to be able to emit those colors, correct? And so let's see if this, conveniently placed TV behind me can possibly do that. Oh, I guess it can, kind of. I guess that's red, right? But that's not the whole story, right? Like, what about green? I guess it can. I guess it can emit the color green as well, right? So I suppose blue will just be trivial? Yeah, I guess it is, right? I don't know why I'm doing this. Anyway, so yeah, I can control this display behind me, right? I can make it change the color, right? I can go through a bunch of colors. I can change the brightness. Maybe let's keep it at 50%, right? Maybe 0. Okay, so I can do all of those things using something I built. So how did I do that exactly? Well, I created this website called softcast.studio, on which you can control the color and the luminosity of a web page. And it's not just one web page, you can control as many as you'd like. Each web page pertaining to an individual display, potentially. And the great thing about a web page is that quite literally any TV bought in the last 5 years can probably render a web page. So in a nutshell, pretty much any display I own can be turned into a janky studio light, with big disclaimers there, because some of these displays don't get so bright now, do they? I suppose Softcast is like DMX, but for poor people. But I mean, it kind of is really. I mean, think about it. Under normal circumstances, this TV behind me would be doing nothing while I'm recording this video, right? It'd just be there, turned off. So why am I not using it to maybe lighten up this room, maybe lighten up my stupid face, maybe lighten up the freaking floor, the sky, who the frick knows? It could be doing something when it's not. And that's basically what Softcast hopes to solve. Turn any display into a controllable light source. That's the pitch. Getting started with Softcast is as simple as going to softcast.studio, then going to the admin panel, creating a session, creating a screen, copying the link, and that's it. Quite literally. I can control this web page directly through the admin console now. I can make the brightness go up and down. That's pretty sick. I can change the color, right? It's like I'm on acid or something. And yeah, it's the UI is pretty simple to get started with. And that's about it. See ya.